These events are really about engaging students, moving their thinking process forward. Anything that we do starts with our thought process. Anything that we are starts with our thought process. That has to be a foundation of anything else we dream or innovate.
The end goal is really to understand the creative process, taking an abstract concept and creating something tangible out of it.
The role of critical thinking in creative processes is something that can be helpful across a wide range of disciplines and activities.
Critical thinking is a conversation in a way. They created prototypes as a conversation starter, and then the conversation would actually give them insight in terms of reflection. So it's actually about critical thinking to critical making, and then the reflective part is actually part of the whole story.
It's really valuable for us as designers, how we can work together in new solutions for the world.
Having somebody from a different environment start to ask questions, question our assumptions, question our thought process, really kind of expands the entire view of what it is we're doing and lets us refine that message that much better.